Now that we have the structure of our site, the next step is to add some functionality to it. We will do this by going again to the dashboard. The next section that we are going to explore is plugins. And as the name explains it, these are additions that we will be installing on our site. By default, WordPress has Hello Dolly and AskNet installed. We are going to activate AskNet. This plugin will help us stop spam. To set up this plugin, we will click on the link. As we don't have a key, we will get one. Now AskNet will ask us to sign in. In this case, I have selected the pricing. Now, don't be scared. You can also use the free version. We will be doing this and clicking on Get Basic. A suggested price of £27 appears, but we will lower it to 0 and click Continue. Now we have our own AskNet key, which we will copy and enter into our site. Then we will click Connect with API key. Now I will click Save Changes. But stopping spam is not the only function that I want on my site. So I will go back to plugins to add more. Since I don't have more plugins, I will add a new one. WordPress shows some of the more popular plugins. BodyPress and BBPress are used for forums and communities. Theme check can help us make sure that our theme is working properly. WordPress Super Cache can also make our site run faster. Jetpack by WordPress have many wonderful functions, including the ability to share your content with social media sites. In addition, you can search for plugins based on keywords. For example, calendar. And a series of results will be displayed, indicating the number of active styles and the rating. This will give you an idea if it is a good plugin or not. Not all plugins on WordPress are good, as some of them have not been tested. In addition, some of them are free to use, but others require further payment or upgrades for Pro version. So please make sure that you read the more detailed section under each plugin for further information. Once you have decided on a plugin that you would like to use, the next step is to install it. You do so by clicking Install Now. Just like the themes, once it has to be installed, you will have to activate it. The new plugin will show up most likely on your dashboard menu. If it's not there, it can also be found under the Tools or Settings option. In this case, our plugin has its own tab, when we will be able to read information about it and set important settings.